Jay Conrad Levinson is the father of the concept guerrilla marketing, and Jay had created all of the ads for the big brands like the Marlboro Man and Tony the Tiger. He was the genius behind that. And Jay was also a college professor. And as a college professor, he had two students come to him, Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. And they said, we're starting small businesses. We can't afford what a big company can afford with logos and jingles. So how do we do marketing? And Jay went to the library and he looked for books on this because he didn't know, found there was no one helping a small business owner. So he wrote a book called Guerrilla Marketing. And Guerrilla Marketing teaches low and no cost marketing. I had the privilege of writing 2 guerrilla marketing books with Jay before he passed. And guerrilla marketing's principles for every small business owner are about being creative in order to get the message in front of your prospects. So as a entrepreneur, we want to help more people. We want to serve people. We want to do it in an ethical way. We don't need fancy slogans and jingles. We just need a creative way to wake up the person's brain and go, oh, that's interesting. Let me pay attention to your message.